Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am very glad to review this sample provided by BB Floss. Thank you, BB Floss, for the sample. And this is how it looks. It has, it's color black, and it's good for 60 days. Here it will tell you how many weeks or days before you can reorder the next one. What I like about this floss is that it will give you precision. It's very strong. It has the smell of like a mint, so it has a good smell, and it would allow you to reach in areas that are hard to get. I like it. It's designed by dentists. I like the quality. I can tell it's wax also, and it's very strong. This is how it looks. So I like also the style. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.